Transform product photos with AI camera angles.
Transform a single product photo into multiple camera angles with Fotor AI. Create high-end product perspectives without expensive equipment or reshooting. Open Fotor, select Camera Angles, and upload your product photo. Adjust camera rotation, tilt, and shot distance based on your specific needs. Click Generate and apply the newly created AI perspective to your canvas. Enhance your visual with AI Assistant. Adjustment tools, artistic effects, customizable text, and rich graphic stickers. Generate versatile angles for fashion, beauty, furniture, and electronics with ease. One product photo, infinite angles. Reduce costs, boost efficiency, and create winning store visuals with Fotor AI. Save time, reduce production costs, and create professional visuals with Fotor AI Camera Angles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and save it.